order to replenish the investor's account using Bitcoin, log into SOLARGROUP's back office. Go to the banking section, replenish the account tab, and specify the account replenishment amount by selecting Bitcoin as a currency. Confirm that you want to replenish your main account in the back office using Bitcoin and click on the Continue field. After that, you will be redirected to the payment gateway website for accepting payments in Bitcoin. Kryptonator. You cannot make multiple transfers of funds for the same request. One request, one replenishment transaction. Please note, you have no more than 30 minutes to make the payment. If you do not complete a transaction during this time, the funds will not be credited to your account. To make the payment, copy the unique one-time address to which you need to transfer Bitcoin from your Bitcoin wallet. If you have a Bitcoin wallet installed in your device, click Open in the wallet or scan the QR code. Important: do not close the Kryptonator page with the request. If you do not have a Bitcoin wallet, create it. You can create and manage cryptocurrency wallets on different platforms and services. We will exemplify it with one of the popular exchanges, Binance. Open the exchange website in a separate tab. Log in to the back office or register. If you have no funds or they are insufficient, replenish a Bitcoin account on the exchange. To do this, select Spot Wallet in the Wallet section of the main menu, then select the currency Bitcoin in the Input section. You can choose the optimal exchange platform using currency monitoring services, for example the Best Change website. Choose a currency pair to exchange. For example, you want to buy Bitcoin and pay with a Visa or MasterCard card. Select an exchange platform from the list. Open its page and follow the instructions. Specify the amount of debiting in the desired currency to purchase the required amount of Bitcoins. Enter the copied address of your Binance exchange wallet to credit the funds. Enter your phone number, read the terms of service, and click Buy BTC. Then, fill in the required fields, enter your personal data and your bank card details to purchase Bitcoin. Enter the code received from the bank to complete the transaction. Please note, for the first transaction, the exchange platform may require the user to undergo verification. You will have to take a selfie with an identity document and upload the photos to a special form. If everything is done correctly, the payment process will be completed. Sometime after the exchange, you will see that your wallet on the Binance exchange has been replenished. After crediting, these funds can be withdrawn to SOLARGROUP's back office. To do this, go to the Withdrawal section on the Binance exchange, then select BTC Bitcoin from the list. Make sure you choose the correct network, BTC. In the BTC recipient address, insert the unique one-time address copied from the Kryptonator page. In the quantity field, enter the amount equal to the amount in the created account replenishment request on Kryptonator. It is important to specify the exact number of Bitcoins you want to transfer, taking into account all decimal places. The amount should be entered not in dollars, otherwise the payment will not be processed and the funds will not be credited to your account. Don't forget to take into account the transaction fee. Make sure that the details provided in BTC recipient address and the total amount you will receive are consistent with the data provided in the account replenishment request in Kryptonator. If you have correctly entered the recipient address and the number of coins to be transferred, then after the transaction is completed, a notification saying that your payment has been received by Kryptonator will appear in the open window with an account replenishment request. Now you can close the window. You can track your payment in the back office banking section, the Accounts Activity tab using the unique invoice number. You will see a message informing about a successful payment completion in the back office.